कि khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Upiki boro budi Chief Executive Officer ke Shillong Municipal Board ulai kublai kerpang ya boro jangka municipal kibla treshi tom meet labat sengi banwa diubah Marshal Marwen yubla syak tep im hakanyut ha Marten hakalai trik mentau benai haduk benda yo menda ke sengi kan rio trik udempang habakran chikla pathai kubor upiki boro lo yatho banakal yang jagatan SMB kan sa Shong Pyrkhat halo ke jing ai bailot Ksan halo ke jing du no jangka dari shaling dok mau pelang yalau kurim nama ke jing syaban hakanyut ha Marten.
It's a teamwork. First of all, I would like to congratulate especially my municipal staffs who are on the spot directing the JCB drivers to coordinate with the concerned stakeholders, especially the SDRM to retrieve the missing dead body. After 3 days tireless effort, we are able to retrieve the missing dead body today. Yes, I'm very happy. At the same time, I would like to congratulate all the persons directly and indirectly who are involved in these operations. Our staff, they have taken pain, they worked tirelessly. On the first day, they stopped the operation at 4 a.m. Second day, we again started after 7 a.m. We never stopped, and the operation started in the presence of the relatives of the deceased. We always took the consent of the relatives how to go ahead. Because of that thing, I would like to congratulate all the stakeholders, Rongbas, for their moral support. Because of them only now today we are successful in this operation. Continuously, we used to substitute them, but since it is their gases are toxic, that's why I have told my staff, if possible, please send them at least for medical checkup, so that we will be able to come to know.
What is the decision of the board? Is there any compensation will be paid to the deceased?
This will be decided. We'll sit down for that.
Okay, how much can we expect?
No, it will be taken. Decision will be taken by us. Don't worry. Identify some areas which are vulnerable.
Okay.
In the vulnerable area, we'll identify those areas as a restricted area, so that no one can go and pick up garbage from there.
But you already have those kind of regulation before, no?
Yes, we used to have, but it's the unfortunate incident, and this incident should be repeated in future. Generally, the red pickers generally they don't go to the vulnerable place, but for that unfortunate incident, I don't want to tell anything.